Somebody shared with me that I'm COVID positive. But more than being disturbed by the disease, what is disturbing me more is the way the world is treating me. I'm not at all happy with the way people are behaving with me or the people are treating me. My dear friends, let's get this facts tested. The good side of the story is point number one. You will go beyond this, much beyond this. Point number two is you have an inspiration to share to the world. If you have tested positive, you are really an inspiration, because this is the biggest challenge that the entire world is facing right now. Everybody is getting shrinked by this particular disease, by even talking about this disease. And you are one person who has gone through it, who is surely going to come out of it, who is surely going to go to the other side. So you are being an inspiration. It's an opportunity for you to go to the other side and show the world that you have crossed the line, friends. And you never know, if this disease is like chicken pox, then you are one of them who will become immune to this, and then next time you're never going to catch this disease. So next time, whenever you go to an airplane, or whenever you go out or you travel anywhere, you don't need to worry about standing beside any person, whether he's infected or he's not infected. So you don't need to bother again about this disease once you cross this disease. Point number four is 80% of the people who get infected through this disease, they don't even require medication. You just keep them in isolation for some days and they get cured. Out of remaining 20%, 15%, they just require medication at home, maybe medications from doctors or maybe some kind of other medications, but they'll surely get cured with the medications. And remaining, so 95% of the people, they don't even need to bother about this disease. Out of the remaining 5%, they will need hospitalization for sure, but out of those 5%, only those who have the respiratory problems or lungs problems or breathing problems, only they need to bother. Surely they were supposed to get their lungs and respiratory organs get checked all this time. They didn't do this, and that is the reason the disease is affecting them more. Friends, you need to realize that the world relates you as per their maturity levels. They cannot go beyond their maturity levels, and they cannot have the different perception towards you. Based on their maturity levels, they have their perception, they have their outlook towards you, towards life, everything. Probably sometimes you might not get the response that you expect from the others, and getting disturbed with the response that you get from others. If you're getting disturbed, then my dear friends, your maturity level from here also goes here. You both are sailing in the same boat on the same maturity levels. You need to grow your maturity levels here. You've got to believe, you've got to tell yourself कि उसका maturity level ही इतना है. If he's not behaving properly with me, if he's trying to isolate me, or he's not behaving as per what I would like, then probably उसका maturity level वैसा नहीं है. You need to accept this fact. You need to look at them like you look at children, and you need to smile at them. And you need to tell God, God, please forgive them because they don't know what they are doing. इनका maturity level ही इतना है. Don't let people's response affect you. Because, my dear friends, you're going to cross the finishing line. You're going to cross the other side. You're surely going to go beyond, much beyond this. People are getting recovered. Everybody's getting recovered. Recovery rates are very high. So don't just worry about it. Don't just look at people's reaction, people's behavior towards you. You will surely go beyond this, and just believe that people's maturity levels are only this much. Your maturity level is over here, there is over here. Stop thinking about them and stay strong and be positive. Thank you so much.